If you can stick around for whatever that nonsense was, surely you can stay for verse 2. Proverbs 19:21 reads, "Many are the plans in a person's heart, but it is the Lord's purpose that prevails." You can hope, plan, and beg until your face turns blue, yet it is still going to be the Lord's purpose that prevails at the end of the day. As a former athlete, you may have had a vision for how you wanted your career and your life to ultimately unfold. Yet every closed door and unexpected turn was still under God's perfect control and plan. It's 100% okay to have ambitions and aspirations, but hang on to them loosely enough for His victorious plans to be your main priority. Remember that surrendering to the Lord is not losing control, but trusting the one who sees the full picture and has something even greater up ahead. Follow for more daily devotionals for former athletes. God bless.